I'm just documenting your first experience using an app to use a bathroom.
I don't even know what to do. Gotta download the app, I guess.
Dude, this is the
I don't
future.
have the fucking phone battery for this, dude. Dude, this is terrible.
Dude, this is the future.
Dude, what the fuck?
This is the future.
I got a shit, dude.
How convenient is this?
It's the most convenient bathroom I've ever used, dude. Oh, scan to use. Okay. Or text Throne. Alright, I'm texting Throne. Oh my god, dude, I'm gonna shit my pants. I'm gonna fucking shit my pants. 3694. Okay.
Our society is so advanced, dude.
Throne. Alright. Please reply with the orange code to the left of the door.
H3Y, dude.
H3Y, dude.
You know those backwards Turks, those Muslims, dude?
Yeah.
It's free to everybody.
Yeah.
Dude,
Dude,
you pay like a lira, just you know.
Oh my god. Do you want to come in with me?
Are you gonna shit?
Yeah.
Nah, it's all you, dude. It's all you. Dude, what was that experience like?
I just sat on the throne, dude. I just sat on the throne.
Did it ask for app permissions to get in there?
Yeah, they had to take biometric data to make sure that I was a U.S. citizen before using it. So.
I believe you.
Yeah.
But really?
Really, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, they have a little swab. You swab up your nose. You put it in the thing. You read your biometric data, and then it tells you that you are permitted to use it. And then there's like this big metal box over the toilet, so that comes up after you prove that you're a U.S. citizen.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. No, it's good. It's good. Yeah, it's a good system. I really like it. It's super convenient, super helpful. And dude, the best part, think about it, dude. People who don't have phones, poor people, homeless people.
Oh no,
dude,
fuck them.
They won't even be able to use it, dude. That's excellent.
Amazing.
That's excellent, dude.
We don't need barbed wire. We don't need
Yeah.
glass and cinder block walls.
Yeah.
We just exclude them
Yeah.
that easily.
It's so easy, dude.
Oh my god. I like the vent/poop overflow here. That's what I'm interested in.
Okay.
How can that
Yeah.
be? How can that be used to
Yeah.
for our own purposes?
Right. Yeah.
Can we put a little firecracker in there or something?
We could do that, dude. We could do that. Maybe we could suck all of the sewage out of there and then use it to make biosolids and sell it to local farmers, dude.
My god, that's genius.
Dude, it's free resource, dude. It's a free
Techno
resource.
futurism, techno utopia.
Yeah.